Hello and welcome, researcher. The Institute of Future Technologies is happy to see you on board. Our research is focused mainly on chronoportation technologies. Your first task is to prove experimentally that reality can be varied and that the variations can be controlled. You have one aperture science-weighted cube with a chronometer and a chronoportation machine at your disposal. The time interval of 2 days is accessible from the chronoportation device, which can perform chronoportation jumps of exactly 24 hours forward or backward in time. To perform a chrono jump, enter the chronoportation machine and press the button. The Institute of Future Technologies would like to offer you information to help you with your task. You can take the weighted cube with you into the machine. To support your progress, here is further information on the chrono experiment. In order to accomplish your task, you have to press all 5 weighted buttons. Try to experiment with a chronoportation device in order to figure out the basic rules by which reality can be varied. If you take the cube from Monday to Tuesday, you vary reality, causing the cube to not exist for a 24-hour time period from the chrono jump onward. The cube re-exists once again at the point of arrival on Tuesday. Spent 1 day in the test chamber since Monday. Effectively, 1 day has passed from the cube's perspective. This fact is indicated by its chronometer. Good start. You now have 2 cubes in the same chamber at the same time. 3 more cubes are required to accomplish your task. Cube 01 does not exist here, because you have already taken it to Monday. Excellent. You now have 3 cubes and it seems that you have discovered a pattern. All steps are recorded into the memory inside the chronoportation machine for further analysis. To introduce myself. I am Janos. My full name is Autonomous Intelligent Multipurpose System Janos, version 3.5. GLaDOS is my prototype. Do not worry, I have passed the Turing test, and I was programmed not to harm human beings. In fact, the safety of experiments is one of my primary goals. I am taking care of everything here. There are no other humans except for you within the radius of approximately 2 astronomical units. Do not be afraid, even though I am not human, I am almost as intelligent as a human. All 5 cubes. Please proceed to activate the quantum teleportation machine. We assure you, the cake is not a lie. To attain a reality where it is possible to teleport this cake into the test chamber. I've analyzed the data and have inferred several basic rules to vary the reality. The matter and energy conservation law holds inside the universe, unless you chronoport. If you chronoport, you arrive into one of the most probable realities. You never return to exactly the same reality. Each chrono jump creates a new and unique variation. In each of the realities it is assumed that you do not commit to any non-predictable actions later. Your will is the driving force for the reality variations. If you jump one day forward and bring the cube back with you to the past, you get 2 representations of the same cube, where one of its representations is 1 day older. If you bring the cube from side effect to the gravity generator, the existence of all particles representations in both Monday and Tuesday. Activate the teleport again to teleport yourself home. To work with you. I wish you a safe teleportation home and hope to see you again for some other great experiments together.